New tonight, looking for more robust vaccination participation. The White House sending representatives to help leaders boost numbers. And the state looking to college football to help more people get the shot. Fox News investigative reporter Brendan Kirby has been following both stories for us. He's live at the Civic Center downtown. Brendan, college football pretty close to religion here in Alabama.
Yeah, it sure is, Byron, and health officials are hoping that that gets people off the sidelines, so to speak. But first, let me tell you about the Biden administration's tour in Mobile today. Members of the White House Vaccine Equity Team, as part of its Community Confidence campaign, getting a first-hand look today at a city that lags most of the country in vaccinations. 2 White House officials met with business leaders, attended a back-to-school vaccination roundtable, and visited Cut Zone Barbershop on Spring Hill Avenue. Dr. Carmen Webb, White House Senior Policy Advisor for COVID-19 Equity, says he was impressed with the mass vaccination site at the Mobile Civic Center. But he says state and local leaders should do more than recommend masks.
The administration's take on it is we certainly encourage states, localities, employers to use all the tools available to them to keep people safe. And the data certainly is unequivocal. Masks are an important part of a layered mitigation strategy, especially when we have case rates as high as we have.
Alabama State Health Officer Dr. Scott Harris reiterated today that Governor Kay Ivey is not going back to statewide mask mandates. But he says school systems and local governments are free to do so.
Scientific evidence on masks is very clear. People who consistently mask are less likely to get infected. They're less likely to infect others.
Alabama has tied Mississippi for the nation's worst fully vaccinated rate. But Dr. Harris notes that it has been one of the fastest improving states in the country. In recent weeks, it's passed 7 states in percentage of the population with at least one shot: Idaho, Wyoming, Mississippi, West Virginia, North Dakota, Louisiana, and Tennessee. Officials hope a new incentive boosts that further. Gene Hallman, president of the event planning company Bruno Event Team, rolled out a program tied to all 13 Alabama colleges that play football. Shots will be offered during the featured game for each school. Anyone getting a shot that day or 14 days prior will get a $75 gift card to the campus bookstore.
This is the best college football in the country right here in Alabama, so why not use this platform to convince people that they need to take that first dose.
September 18th will be the featured game for the University of South Alabama. Now, as part of this, some players on all of the teams will be paid to promote the vaccine. And you can find out more about this by going to our website, kickcovid19.com. Reporting live in Mobile, Brendan Kirby, Fox 10 News.